to Mexico Beach out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Mexico Beach some 20 to 60 nautical miles until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 19 nautical miles east of Okaloosa Deepwater Reef to 26 nautical miles southwest of Mexico Beach to 20 nautical miles southwest of Port St. Joe, moving northeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Laguna Beach, Panama City Beach, and Mexico Beach. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.